If you're watching this video, then you're interested in a new heating and cooling system. This video will tell you what to expect during an estimate by a residential sales professional. Hi, I'm Roger from Fire and Ice, and if you're watching this video, you've probably scheduled a time for a residential sales professional to come out to your house and give you a free estimate on a new heating and cooling system. Every time I visit a customer, I make sure they know all the options when choosing a new system. We've broken this video down to 3 stages to show you the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know what to prepare for ahead of time before the estimate, what to expect during the estimate, and what to do after the estimate is completed. So let's jump in and see what you need to do to prepare ahead of time before the estimate. The first thing you want to do is clear the area for inspection so we have access to measure the existing equipment and of course the ductwork as well. We also would like you to identify any problem areas possibly that don't heat or cool properly so we can check those as well to see if there's anything we can do to improve those problems. And of course, if you visit our Learning Center on our website, there's a lot of good information about our processes, who we are, and what we're going to do for you. And you can also discover product options. We have a wide variety of product options to serve all your needs. Now let's talk about what to expect during the estimate. The first thing I like to do is confirm my arrival time with you with a call about 30 minutes before I plan on arriving. And of course, I'm going to put my personal protective equipment on before entering your home for your safety. And I want to meet with you and determine any problems or needs that you have and what we're trying to accomplish. And of course, we have to inspect the current system so we know what we're dealing with and what we can recommend to help you with your problems. Then the next thing I'm going to do is perform the manual J load calculation, which is a calculation to show us what size equipment your home requires to properly heat and cool it. After that, I'll sit down and discuss those results with you so you can see why we're choosing the size equipment we are, and then discuss options that are available for various levels of equipment to suit your needs. Finally, let's see what you can do after the estimate is completed. Please feel free to reach out to the residential sales professional. We want to answer all your questions, make sure you understand all your options so you can make the best choice for a system to fit your needs. And of course, we have a lot of financing options available if those are something you're interested in, and those can be looked at as well. While you're waiting for your scheduled visit, please feel free to visit our Learning Center to learn more about the products and services that we offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope that we can make your day even better.